Morning, guys. Tonight we're going to draw a neggplant from Yokai Watch 3. Just yesterday I was at the bar. And, well, this is what happens when you inhale beverages that are, well, not really suitable for your age, or any age for that matter. I really have no idea on, well, honestly, I have no idea on how I got the idea for drawing this guy, but I'm glad I'm finally drawing him. And it's finally, I'm drawing this guy for at this exact time. As you have noticed, that he's an eggplant, and he's sitting at a bar drinking, well, I don't know what he's drinking exactly. Alexa, what is an eggplant?
Eggplant, aubergine or brinjal, is a plant species in the nightshade family Solanaceae. Solana melangina is grown worldwide for its edible fruit. Most commonly purple, the spongy, absorbent fruit is used in several cuisines. Typically used as a vegetable in cooking, it is a berry by botanical definition.
Alexa, what is a bar?
Bars can't be converted to United States dollars. Bar measures pressure, while United States dollar is a currency.
Alright, guys. There he is. That's how you draw an eggplant. Glad I'm satisfied. I bet this guy is satisfied for drawing him as well. Anyway, that's all for now. Got a long night ahead of us.